Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you reset your Asko dishwasher. So here's a complete step-by-step error resetting and troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Perform a soft control panel reset. Locate the power key. Find the main power button on the far left or top edge of the integrated control panel. Hold the button down. Press and firmly hold the power button down for exactly 5 seconds. Wait for the beep. Release the button once the display screen turns blank or you hear an audible notification beep. Power the unit back on. Wait for 10 seconds, then tap the power button once more to restart the microprocessor. Step 2. Clear and drain stuck water. Identify the cancel key. Locate the stop, cancel, or reset button, often labeled with a circular arrow icon. Initiate the drain cycle. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds to force the internal drain pump to activate. To the pump, allow the machine to run its automatic 2-minute drain sequence to empty the wash tub completely. Open the door safely. Wait for the physical draining sounds to stop entirely before cracking the door open. Step 3. Execute a hard power reset. Disconnect the power source. Pull the dishwasher's main power cord out of the electrical wall outlet. Locate the circuit breaker. Switch off the dedicated fuse or circuit breaker in your home's main electrical panel if the plug is inaccessible behind kitchen cabinetry. Allow the capacitors to drain. Leave the electricity disconnected for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes to erase temporary system memory. Restore electrical power. Plug the cord back in or flip the circuit breaker back onto the on position. Step 4. Clear the 510 flood and overfill error. Recognize the fault. Note if the screen displays F10 or if the internal drain pumps runs continuously even with the door wide open. Shut off the water line. Turn the manual water inlet valve clockwise under your kitchen sink to prevent further leaking. Check the bottom drip tray. Remove the lower plastic kick plate and use a sponge or dry towel to soak up by any standing water inside the safety drip pan. Reset the safety float. Ensure the internal styrofoam float switch drops down or back to its baseline resting position once the tray is dry. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.